guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about some underwear that I got. I don't know about y'all, but I love getting new underwear. Each piece that I'm showing you guys is from a brand called True & Co. Now this is not a sponsored video, nor do they know I'm filming this video. However, they did send me these pieces. I'm just doing it because I just want to show you what new panties and bras I got. Before we begin, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. I think it's only right to go ahead and show you guys the set that I have on right now. Now, obviously, I am not wearing the panties. I'm going to show you guys, you know, in my hand, but I will actually insert clips of me in the bras. I think the panties is just a little too much for YouTube. You know, a little here and there on Instagram is okay, but I just don't want to show you guys literally like my butt cheeks on YouTube. I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I'm weird. I don't know why I'm okay with doing it on Instagram and not YouTube. Don't ask me, sis. I'm not sure. I do want to give you guys all the specs on the pieces that I have. So the black bra that I have on right now is the sheer Lynx Demi Convertible. This is in a size 32 double D. Yes, I am a 32 double D. No one ever believes me when I say that. They're like, there's no way you're a double D, but my back is really, really small. So that obviously is going to make the cup smaller. I do feel like I have like a wider breast, if you will. So that's the reason why I am in the double D. It's not that it like protrudes outward much. I just feel like it's wider on the sides. This is proof for you guys. As you guys can see, a 32 double D fits me perfectly. There's no gaps. There's no spillage. There's no boobs pouring out the sides. Yes, this is a 32 double D. Every time I tell somebody I'm a 32 double D, they be like, oh, you just must be a double D in Victoria's Secret because their bras are not the same. Listen, this is not Victoria's Secret and I'm still 32 double D. Y'all gonna stop hating. Y'all gonna stop hating, okay? This bra right here, I absolutely love. I've worn it before. I've worn it maybe like 2 or 3 times. And I just feel like it's so freaking comfortable. It doesn't have a crazy amount of padding. However, I feel like my boobs are still sitting really nicely in the bra. So I'm 100% here for that. It is convertible, so you are able to put this as like a razor back, which is really cool. I love bras that are versatile because, I mean, that's important. All of our shirts are not cut exactly the same, so you need a bra that can do multiple things. So I really, really like this bra a lot. Now, because these bras was sent to me, I don't know how much they cost, but I will put them in the video when editing, and I will let you guys know all of that. Now, for the matching undies, I have the sheer Lynx Hipsters. So these are a hipster and I got them in a size medium, so they look really big. Normally I'm like a small or medium in underwear. I prefer medium because I don't want them to be so tight, but when I actually put the medium on in True & Co, the medium fits me great. I do a small in Victoria's Secret, but True & Co, I do a medium in the underwear. These are really, really cute. They are a hipster and they're completely mesh. You can see straight through it, so that's sexy. We love that. And it has the same kind of print that the bra has right on the front of the panty. How cute. I love this. This is a really, really cute panty. I cannot wait to wear it as a set. You can never have too many black bras and panties, okay? Listen, I need me a good black bra and panty. Speaking of another essential, we have our nude. Oh my gosh, guys, I am obsessed with this bra. So this is the Gramercy Balconette Full Cup Bra in the shade Dulce. And this is also a 32 double D. It has no padding at all. Super sexy. It is see-through. It does have some underwire, so it is giving you kind of like a shape. I love this bra so much. I feel so cute in it. I actually have it in yellow. And like I said, if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you've probably already seen this bra. The yellow is such a mood, so I felt like I had to get it in nude too. I want this bra in every single color. Like, I'm in love with it. It's super comfortable. You feel really sexy in it. You can wear it underneath a regular t-shirt. I don't feel like you would actually see the print of the lace. So I really, really do enjoy this bra. And here is the matching panty. This is called the Union Panty. This is also in a size medium. It looks pretty big for my size, but it actually fits me great because I have the yellow one in a medium as well. It also has that lace detail, which is really sexy, and it's completely see-through. So I thought this was such a cute nude set. You need a sexy nude, you need a plain nude set and you need a sexy nude set, okay? You need both. For my next bra, I feel like this one is more of my like not so sexy bra, but it feels nice. So this right here is the Madison Lace Balconette Full Cup Bra, and this is in the shade Whiskey Rose, also in a 32 double D. This is a full bra. It's not a demi, so it is going to cover the entire thing. This is a really smooth material. Like, it is so soft and comfy. It does have some cute little lace detailing right on the, I guess, I don't know what you call that, not the straps, but I don't know what you call that, but it does have some lace detailing. It is in a really pretty color. This is definitely great for underneath a t-shirt. It doesn't have any padding, so this is not a push-up bra, okay? This is not going to give you a lift. It's just going to cover up all the goods the way they need to be covered up. So this is the bra, and to show you guys the panty, this is the panty. This is called the Madison Hipster, and this is also in the shade Whiskey Rose. I actually got this panty in a small, and when I tell you this is probably the softest material ever. Okay, listen to me. This is such a soft material for a panty. Like, I would want to live, I need like 50 of these, because when I tell you they feel so nice. Like, this is one of those situations I love the panty more than I love the bra. It feels so nice. It does have some lace detailing in the front of the panty. It's super cute, pretty like plain, regular underwear, okay? Everything ain't gotta be super sexy now. You could just have a regular pair of undies. Next up, I have the True Weekend Stretch Triangle Bralette in the shade white, and I got this in a size small. I love this. This is giving me like Calvin Klein vibes with the thick band at the bottom, and it says True all the way around it. This doesn't have any padding, of course. It is just a cotton material. The straps can be switched over to like a razorback, so that is really cool. It is like kind of like a multi-way bra. This will be really cute underneath maybe like kind of like a muscle tee, like something that's really low cut. This can be worn pretty much any way you want. You could wear it as a bra, you could wear it as loungewear around the house with like some sweatpants on, girl. You could wear this, honestly, I would wear this outside with some type of top that's like kind of open. It's like it's a bra, but to me it's not like a bra, if that makes sense. You guys know what I mean? Comment down below if you know what I'm trying to say. So this was really cute. I love the way it fits. Like I said, I am a 32 double D, and I got this in a small, so that kind of helps you guys out. It did have a little bit of room in the band, so if maybe you're in the 34 category, you could still get away with a small. As far as the matching panties goes, these are the True Weekend Stretch Thong, also in white, and I got it in a medium. I am a thong girl, okay? I know I showed you guys a lot of hipsters. I do prefer thongs, but you know, you can't always wear a thong, which is the reason why I made sure I got some hipsters. But I was like, in this, I need the thong. This is a really nice soft cotton material. It also has like the thick band like the top. I just think this is honestly a cute set, and I just kind of want to walk around my house in this set because I think it's so freaking cute, and it's really comfy as well. So I just thought this was really nice. And for my last set, very similar to the white one, this is more of like a loungewear kind of situation. I have the True Weekend Stretch Bralette in heather gray, also in a size small, and it's pretty much just like a sports bra without the padding. This is something else you can wear underneath a muscle tee. You could just wear it around the house, throw in some sweatpants, and you're good to go. I love having tops like these because sometimes I don't want to wear like a full t-shirt, you know what I mean, around the house. I just kind of want something really comfortable, and this would definitely be something I would want to wear. It's really nice. This one was a little big on me, and this is a small, so you guys can just kind of use my measurements and judge on what size you think will be best for you. And just like the white panty, I got this also in the heather gray. So this is the True Weekend Stretch Thong, also in a size medium to go with the sports bra. I just think this set is just so freaking cute. Like, the two together looks so nice, and I just want to once again walk around my house like this because I feel sexy, I feel confident, I am comfortable. On top of that, being comfortable is sexy to me. So yeah guys, those were all 5 sets that I got from True & Co. I do have a little $15 coupon right here. It says we are True 15. It's going to give you $15 off your next purchase. I don't know if this is a one-time thing or if unlimited amount of people can use this, but I will definitely try it out if I were you guys. They do have sizes like 42 triple D, so it is a really versatile company when it comes to bra sizes. I know sometimes, even for me, like even with me being small, you would be surprised. Finding a 32 double D can be really, really difficult because they don't assume that really tiny girls can have bigger breasts. I don't know what it is, but they be slipping. So that's one thing I really, really do love about True & Co. is that they actually have a lot of sizing for all types of women, all different shapes. I feel like their company is more based around being comfortable in your underwear. You know what I'm saying? It's not really all sexy lingerie. Not necessarily like Savage X by Fenty, but it's more comfortable, it's more relaxed, it's more just chilling at home, you know, being with your boo that you probably already been with for a minute. You're not really trying to do too much, but you still want to look sexy. That's the vibes that I get from True & Co. I love how they're all about body positivity and just empowerment, and they're just a dope brand. So I would definitely link all the products that I showed you guys down in the description box so you can check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you in the next one.